Got 5 ube. I don't know what they call ube in English language. This is ube. We use this ube in Nigeria to eat our sweet corn. And this is the season of corn. So I've boiled my hot water, pipe boiling. So I'm going to tip it in there. Okay. For the ube to go soft, very soft. So I'm going to cover it. Cover my ube. Okay. That is the ube inside boiling hot water. So I'm going to cover it to get soft to eat my corn. Okay. So my ube has melted. Okay, so I'm going to put it in a kitchen towel here to get dry. To absorb the water from the ube. Okay, guys. You see? It melts. Soft. Ube is ready. While I'm waiting for my corn to cook, I'm going to put some honey in the ube. Okay, guys. This is the ube. That is the honey. That is honey on top of the ube to eat the corn. Okay? That's honey on the ube.